Alright gang, here is my adapter portion of the rocket stove that is good for barbecue. So this portion right here gonna be rocket stove. You want to cook whatever, and then you can remove the whole thing out when you want to cook. Obviously the fires and wood goes here, and then you can put the whole thing in, and then you can grill. And then I just made this just now, so it's not done yet, but obviously you're gonna have a hinge on that side, so it will open and closes the crate, so you can barbecue stuff and or other things that you want to do. But anyway, you run off charcoal. So this is how it looks like. You see, it's not too hot. There we go. So charcoal on top, the whole thing removable, modular. And then we can cook or grill with this little thing. So I poked one hole on purpose because I didn't want, one hole per each side, ½ inch big. I didn't want to be too strong for grilling. I want to control the fire by how much ventilation it gets. So I'll take a video of me burning the stove also. Now here's a rocket stove on. I'm gonna put a crate in there and start boiling water, cooking eggs and sausage for breakfast. Here I can put a crates on it. I can barbecue chicken, pork, beef, whatever you need. So it's a dual function, modular, removable. I'm still playing with it right now. So need to adjust the height a little bit, but it is a workable unit.